What's up? Canada Day. We're leaving right now. There's Juan. Woo. There's David. Woo. There's my bike loaded out. I'll see y'all probably around lunchtime, and I'll take you out the day. Peace.
There's a sense of energy that happens when you throw your leg over the bike and take off on a long road trip. Because up until this becomes the culmination of a lot of work you've done over the past several months, planning the trip, figuring out the route, where you're going to go, what things you want to do while you're there. All those things kind of, on the months leading up to when you actually go, they build anticipation. And so, as you just saw in the intro to this video, this is day one of our big trip of this year. We decided we wanted to go to Halifax, which is something we wanted to do back in 21 and couldn't do it. So we're going this year. And on this morning, the weather was absolutely perfect. And it was beautiful riding, at least for the start of the day. It got really hot on this day, I'm not going to lie. Once we got into New York and Pennsylvania, the heat indexes were ridiculous. The humidity was bad, and there was a lot of traffic due to construction. So we ended up all being very hot, tired, and kind of just ready to be off the bikes by the time we got to our destination in Syracuse that night. But at this point, everything's starting out pretty cool, and we're enjoying the ride. We're enjoying each other's company. And we're just kind of, chilling on the bikes. Today is all about chewing up miles. And I get it. Sometimes you just want to ride. But, sometimes you have to ride in order to get somewhere. And this is the first day that we're really dealing with that. We were going to take 3 days to get from Charlotte, North Carolina to Halifax, Nova Scotia. I think total trip, the direction we were going was between 18 and 1900 miles, maybe 17 and 1800 miles, somewhere around there. But J Street Moto here. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share with your friends. So this is the beginning of our day, and I gotta be honest with you, this corridor that we're running for the first probably, I don't know, maybe 3.5 hours of this day is a corridor that we've ridden several times. So it's nothing new to us. There wasn't anything exciting. It was just about getting the miles down. Later in the day, we cross into some states we've never ridden in, such as, Maryland for Juan. Well, no, because Juan's ridden in Maryland, just not with us. So Pennsylvania for sure, and New York. And so, yeah, we're all excited. We're all packed out. There's no issues this day. We take off. We do really good from a mileage perspective and time the first leg of this journey. I was shocked at how good we did. In fact, I think for the rest of the 10 days, the only day that was comparable was the last day that we rode home from our final stop to Charlotte. Enjoy the scenery. I'm gonna shut up. There's some candid stuff in here a little bit later, and I'll pop back in and finish it off. So enjoy the video.
Harley Davidson dealership of the trip. We had to stop here because Juan needed to get something corrected on his bike. But he's wrapped up now. They fixed him, and we're loading bikes, and we're getting ready to get back on the road. We're going to go to lunch. See you soon. We finished up at Harley, and on their recommendation, Skyline Harley Davidson, by the way, on their recommendation, they sent us to the Lone Oak Tavern. This is where we're going to try for lunch today. Looks like a pretty cool little spot. Again, it's a road trip, so I got to get in gravel sometime. But there you go. I'll show you the food in a minute. This is pretty cool. Recently busy. Show what you got. Tell us what you got to eat.
I got a chicken breast. Is there salad dressing on here? Yeah. Okay, it's already on. Cool. Thank you.
A house salad.
House salad.
And then David got a chicken Caesar salad. I did the same. A couple of libations. Trying to cool off. Let you know how it tastes. All the food's gone. Our bellies are full. It was tasty. Now we're just paying. And we're getting on the road. We picked our hotel, like we always do. We're going to be stopping. We've got a little over 300 miles left today, I think. That's what we have left. Let me look and I'll tell you. Yeah, 379 miles. 379 miles, we'll be at our hotel on the east side of Syracuse. Goddamn idiot. Fucking moron. They spun around. I know. I don't know.
So I would be remiss if I didn't mention the Lone Oak Tavern. I never gave a review of their food. What I can tell you is that grilled chicken Caesar salad was probably one of the best ones I had the entire trip. It for sure was better than any of the ones I had in Canada. And that'll come up in a later episode. I think David enjoyed his meal as well. I know Juan enjoyed his grilled chicken breast sandwich and salad. We got back on the road, and I did not. This day was kind of long. I'm not gonna lie. We were all kind of tired at the end of this day. It's the first time in a long time that we had done about a 700-mile day. I mean, this was close to 700 miles today, and so it kind of took its toll on us a little bit, and that resulted in when we went to our dinner spot. I do record us going in, but I don't record any of the food, and I don't tell you what I think about the restaurant. So I'm going to do that now, while you're watching some of the scenery of the ride through Pennsylvania and New York. So we ended up going to this place called Tully's, which was recommended to us by the hotel we were staying at. And this is the only restaurant that we rode our bikes to for dinner. Pretty much we were on the bikes every day for lunch.
But for dinner, we tended to Uber because we were ready to be off the bikes for a minute, and we wanted to have, we wanted to partake in adult beverages a little more than what was safe to do on the motorcycles. But Tully's, the food was fantastic. I give them 2 thumbs up. I give freaking the Lone Oak Tavern. Their food was good too. I give them 2 thumbs up. They were great. Tully's also hooked us up though, because we're whiskey drinkers, and none of us like drinking whiskey out of just plastic cups in a hotel. So we try to buy bourbon glasses along the road. Tully's was able to hook us up with some whiskey glasses, so thank you guys for that. We'll go ahead and close out now, but watch the rest of the video. Always ride safe.
Made it to Syracuse. We're gonna eat at Tully's. I guess it's good food. We'll see.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah. Asshole.